Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing the first mod on the Forester since it's got the WX swap in it. Something simple, it's just for the interior. It's going to be the Accessport mount. I'm going to be taking this bin out, fishing up my wires for the Accessport to come up into there. So basically, I'm going to start off with taking this out, which there's that plastic one there. You got one underneath here, one over here, and then you're gonna undo your plugs behind this just to run the cord. And then with this, you can kind of just pop that bin out. All that taken out, and then I ran my cord from up and under to pull this bin out. You kind of just give it, I take a flathead and kind of come under this way and give it a good little lift up with it without damaging the dash, and it pops right out. Now that I got that all mounted over here, I got the wires ran underneath and all that. That's kind of what it looks like. Go ahead, I got it all zip tied and up out of the way. Going ahead and install that piece. And that's how you install the Accessport mount in the 98 Forester. Thanks again for watching, we'll catch you in the next videos.